talk a little bit about the Medi-Cal clawback when you have probate versus a trust. What does that look like? What's a typical expense you've seen in probate where somebody had to pay back those fees?
Actually, in one of my cases, it was kind of shocking because the gentleman was actually a veteran, but he was in some kind of care facility. I don't know what all the details were, but the state sent us a $76,000 IOU bill. And they knew we opened probate. They knew, I mean, we were stuck in court, right? We weren't going to run away. The family wasn't going to run away with the money. But can you believe this, Bill? They still filed a suit. And I was like, I remember I called the representative at the state agency and I said, wait a minute, we acknowledge that you're a creditor. We acknowledge that we're going to pay. Sorry, counsel, we have to do this to protect our interests. If we don't file the suit and a year passes, statute of limitations, blah, blah, blah. I mean, it was a crazy, crazy story. Now they've changed the rules a little bit on that. Interestingly enough, that's another benefit. If you put up assets in a trust, you're actually going to protect yourself more now from Medi-Cal attaching to it on the back end. I won't get into the details of that here because I think it's too much information, but there are some ways to protect an elderly parent or grandparent or elderly family member from the clawback from Medi-Cal by having a trust in place.
There could be $5, $10, $20, $50, $70,000, and I've seen I think even higher. So definitely another reason. Can you imagine you pass and if you're in the afterlife, you're looking up from heaven, and your state gets a bill for $70,000 from the state of California? That would that'd be a bad day for me if I was.
That was a bad one because I think the total assets ended up being like 300 something. It wasn't a lot, so I just felt like, oh my gosh, can I make this go away? There was nothing I could do to make it go away. It was bad.
Wow.
Yeah.